Before the right tools, every job felt riskier. Workers balance on shaky ladders. Tools slip and nearly fall. Old equipment scratches floors and slows the work. This is the old way. Introducing the TYPHON xFlex-4065W, a professional scissor lift built for maintenance, installation, and light construction. With a spacious 100 by 60-inch platform and a 1,102-pound load capacity, multiple workers and tools can operate comfortably at height. It reaches a maximum working height of 40 feet, stabilized by heavy-duty outriggers for exceptional stability. Some may wonder, how can a walk-behind machine weighing 2.7 tons be moved safely? The xFlex-4065W is designed for single-operator handling. Just walk behind it, steer it into place with the integrated drawbar, and deploy the outriggers. That 2.7-ton weight becomes an advantage, giving the lift incredible stability while working at height. Safety is built in. Full surround guardrails with integrated kickboards, dual emergency stop buttons on platform and ground, and intuitive controls. Traceless, non-marking tires protect finished floors. The platform is non-extendable, equipped with manual outriggers, and requires connection to a 110-volt power supply during operation, non-battery powered. The TYPHON xFlex-4065W combines professional performance, strong stability, and practical single-operator handling, all in one machine. Work smarter, stay safe, lift higher.